In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Steam QR code on your PC. Now this is really simple, guys, and the only way that you can do this is simply by logging in and then logging out of your account. So once I'm onto my account, I want to click on the Steam right here. I want to press sign out and confirm. Once it is signed out of my account, my QR code will appear on the sign in page. So I'm just letting this load. And as you can see right here, my QR code will be available. So that's basically how you can find your QR code on your PC. Now I'll have mine blurred, but you should be able to see your own QR code. And then what you want to do is you simply just want to scan it, and you can use the Steam mobile app on the App Store or Google Play Store to scan this one, and then you can log into your account. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.